Hi, I'm Debbie Allen. I never thought I'd be relaxing my hair in front of so many people. Well, with Dark and Lovely Permanent Cream Relax, I don't mind. It's a pleasure. For me, there's more to Dark and Lovely than just that it doesn't contain lye. Dark and Lovely is such a pleasure. It makes me feel like dancing.
Okay. All right, Debbie Allen. Producing social media content before social media content was a thing. I see you. But let's talk a little bit about some of the details here. She specifically says it's a pleasure. Now there's the ability to relax hair. In this, what is this, maybe the 70s, early 80s? Relax hair without sodium hydroxide. Still, we need a warning. Warning. Follow directions carefully to avoid skin and scalp irritation, hair breakage, and eye injury. I think that's how they used to say it on TV. So, if it was likely to injure the eyes, probably wasn't then and still isn't today. A good idea to do it at home. Just don't do it. And newsflash, even if you follow the directions on the box, it's virtually impossible to avoid hair damage when relaxing your own hair at home. So it was the case then and is the case now.
It's such a pleasure. It makes me feel like dancing.
So lovely, so lovely, the pleasure of dark and lovely.
It relaxes my hair just as well as those lye-based relaxers with a lot less burning and irritation. And there's no offensive odor. My hair has more bounce and body. And it leaves it so soft I can do anything with it.
Yes. So what we're looking for here is bounce and body. I mean, she can dance, right? Bounce and body. Her hair looks like mine. She wasn't going for a super straight look. She maintained a lot of the texture of her hair. It wasn't even like a silk press look. It was a look of my hair moves like my hair has got some fro and some body to it. I have air in it, but it's easy to get this way. I like that. I can't be mad at that.
But then, that's what I expected from Dark and Lovely.
Lovely, so lovely, the pleasure of dark and lovely.
The pleasure of dark and lovely. And I guess that was to contrast sharply with the idea of pain for getting relaxers when scalps would irritate. Dark and Lovely was a black-owned brand with a black-owned company trying to do good stuff and make life easier for black people. So I'm not mad at the commercial. It's a blast from the past, part of our history. Let's keep moving to the next one.